Man, I am so bored. What should I do? I know. I will burn the kitchen. Ho, ho, ho. But first, I need to go down the stairs and burn the kitchen. There I am. Now I'm going to burn it. One waffle burned the kitchen. Yes, I burned the kitchen. Now I can enjoy some stuff. Okay, let's get some of the kids their food. Oh no, why is the kitchen burning? Ugh, okay. I think I need to go to the living room. Waffle, what are you doing? Did you burn the kitchen? Yeah, because I'm so bored. Oh my! Oh! Waffle, how dare you burn the kitchen? I can't believe you did it. That's it. You are so grounded for years. Go to your room right now. And don't you freaking dare even thinking about coming out of your room until your grounding time is over. Why?